Hello guys, welcome to tutorial 3, and in this tutorial I'm going to talk about HTML header, HTML paragraph and HTML article. So guys, let's begin. So guys, here you can see, first let me talk about HTML header. So there are 6 HTML headers. So here you can see guys, so guys, here you can see H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. These are headers. So first let me show you by creating these. So guys, these are HTML headers. So guys, first let me type here. This is header 1. So guys, these are HTML headers. So guys, here you can see, this is header 1, header 2, header 3, header 4, header 5 and header 6. So guys, let me show you the result. Here you can see, this is the header 1, this is header 1, this is header 2 and so guys, here you can see header 1 is bigger, and here you can see the smallest header is header 6. Header 1 is the biggest header and header 6 is the smallest header. So guys, now you know the difference between the headers. So guys, first here you can see this is the main header, and this is also but last main header. So guys, now here you can see this header. This is smaller than header 1. So guys, remember, header 1 is bigger and header 6 is the smallest header. Now let's talk about paragraph. So here let me write, and now let's talk about paragraph. So if you want to create a paragraph, then you need to type P. So this is a paragraph. So here you see, this is a paragraph. So guys, here you can see another paragraph. So here you can see. So now you know what is HTML header and what is HTML paragraph. So guys, now let's talk about HTML article. So guys, here you can see, if you want to write article, then you can write here article. So guys, here you can see this is an article. So in this, here this is an article. So with article you can write an article. With paragraph you can write a paragraph, and with header you can write a header. Thanks for watching this video guys. Please make sure to subscribe and just press the bell icon, and if you want to more interesting videos like this, then please click the link down below. And guys, thanks for watching. For now, bye bye.